folks, Matt here. Thought I'd do something a bit different. I didn't film this bit, but I have finally put the casters on my table. This has been a long time coming, and that's actually really exciting for me, so bear with me, all you people who've done this kind of thing before, but to have self-leveling casters on this bench is going to make a massive big difference in this shop. It means that I can flip the table over, put it where I want it, and get it level. I think it'll probably be the first thing that's been level in this shop in literally decades. So yeah, very exciting. Anyway, I'll start thinking about flipping it over. Have fun. It's done. Finally have this up the right way on its casters, and check that out. Can move it around. So cool. How's this for a piece of resistance? It's not how it's going to look in the end, but you start to get an idea of the workspace that I'll have. Very, very happy. Easy to move around. Very cool. Well, there we go. That's all I got for today. Very, very happy with getting this thing set up and done. I mean, look how much space I've got now that I can push the table up against the wall anytime I want. Yeah, very excited for the next stages. I've got obviously cross beams across the floor in. I've got to build a place to put the table saw, and then figure out how I'm going to make the top. So, really good progress. Cheers, folks. Bye.